maaga talaga kami. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my college diaries. It's me again, Denise, and for today's vlog, I will be vlogging my first week at school. Kasi my school will resume at January 5 and today is January 3. I went to my dorm early kasi kailangan kong maglinis dito kasi naiwan ko siyang super messy. Kakatapos ko lang mag-shower and it's already 6:37 p.m. Planning on cooking dinner before I sleep. I'm just gonna change into my sleeping clothes and then siguro magluluto ako ng dinner. Pero hindi ko pa alam yung iluluto ko, so search muna ako online. This is the beef, guys. So here's the finished product. Sana naman masarap siya kasi in-improvise ko yung ibang ingredients. Masarap kaya to. Okay, bon appetit guys. Parang laging beef steak. Ano ba yan? Cheers. Okay. It's good. It's good. Pero parang naglasa siyang beef steak. Pero all in all, it's good. It's healthy. And it's yummy. Okay guys, so this is what I do when I have excess rice. So I just wrap the rice with a plastic clear wrap and then I just put it in the freezer and parang yung shell life niya siguro mga 1 month na or 2 weeks. If you wanna save time and if you wanna save rice, just do this. Hi everyone, so it's the next day. It's already lunchtime and I haven't eaten breakfast yet. So let's cook our brunch. So for today's brunch, it's gonna be zucchini and egg. Let's cook. Oops. Tolerable. Parang kumakain ka lang ng egg na may something healthy. Pero hindi mo malasan yung healthy. It's already 7:39 and I just got home. After ko magpasalon, bumili lang ako ng mga stuff for first day. Tomorrow, isa lang naman yung klase ko for the day. So, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You're gonna see my friends tomorrow. I'm gonna vlog sa school and I'm gonna introduce you guys to them. So, I'm gonna prepare for bed and matutulog na ako. Kasi yung sleep schedule ko, guys, pang bakasyon na. And bukas na yung klase. Hindi ko pa siya naaayos. So, aayusin ko siya ngayon. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Good night.
Hi. I am Rafael Miguel Esabed, a classmate of Denise in...
Ay po.
First class after New Year.
Guys, I'm the classmate of Denise Marco from...
Ano ba yan? Bakit may pa-introduction? So, we're at McDo. Katapos na ng first class namin. And, ayun, ano na ngayon? 8:18. Tapos, uwi na kami after niyang kumain. Kasi wala parang jeep at this time. So, yeah. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog much, guys. Kasi, nag-focus ako sa klase. Walang tinuro, guys. Orientation lang yun. Pero ayun, guys. Later, I'm gonna go to my friends, so you're gonna meet some of them. So, bye. Bye-bye ka na. Ayo. Grabe. Okay, palobat na yung mic ko. But I'm here with Nareen and Sam. We're here at Ula, guys, Salcedo. Tapos nag-order sila ng drinks. Ano yung order niya?
Biscoff crumble.
Strawberry lemonade.
There's 3 colors. There's ombre.
Asa na yung kay Nareen? Nareen, asa na yun?
Grabe from all angles. Strawberry lemon.
Say hi, guys!
Masarap yung ano nila, yung sushi. Pagkakain na rin kain ako.
We're at Juices, guys. So I ordered hojicha. Burnt matcha. Okay, di ko talaga gusto yung hojicha. Nung first time ko siya natikman, di ko talaga siya nagustuhan. Tapos nang tinikman ko siya ulit, medyo sweet siya. So, gusto ko na siya. This is our food. We ordered crispy kanimaki and fries.
Sana makatulog ko mamaya. 7 a.m. pa yung klase ko bukas. Online lang ako bukas. Sana all.
Legma.
Legal management. Ay, well. Patulog ko. Mataas. Arte to. 2 chopsticks ka. Bring fairness, masarap to ah.
Hello, I am taking over Marian's vlog. Yes. Hindi pa rin po niya ubos yung hojicha niya. Pero naubos na po nila ang kanilang sushi and fries. Yes.
And hi! Anyway, our food was so good. I really like the sushi. Siguro all I can say is recommended kayo ng cafe or places to.
Hello, and so we're back. So ngayon po ay nagpipicture na sila for the IG feed. You need to get those pictures for the feed eh. 5 o'clock na ba? Parang ang bilis mag-set nung araw. 4:30 pa lang.
Yeah, for guys.
Follow
Like, subscribe ko sa channel niya.
Ay, wala po talaga. Ito na si Marimar. Ay. Minsan vlogger, minsan photographer. I-hire nyo na siya, guys. Jack of all trades.
No! Okay na yan!
Tuwa, Rafael!
Say hi, Jessica!
Thursday.
Ay! Hindi ako uuwi kasi. Sabado na naman sa Friday.
Say hi, guys! Ganda mo naman, miss.
Thank you. You want my number?
Wag nga.
Uy, may na ba kayo? Yes. Pinanood ko yung ano mo.
Ay!
Ang galing ba?
Tawa
I really watched that
Supporter
and I
ka
sent
talaga.
my critique in her messenger.
Grabe.
Hi guys!
Laki ka na lang sa vlog ko. Wag ka na nga.
Nambabastos.
Next week we'll have a rating on our
Hoy,
vlogs and
subscribe na. Subscribe.
Thank you! Subscribe siya.
Pag-giveaway ka sa akin ah.
Wow!
Sige, pag sumikat ako. Oo, pag sumikat ako.
Katapos lang ng first class namin. 8:27 na. Judge ako ng katabi ko, guys.
Hi guys.
Kumakain din si Gail. Oh, say hi! First class namin PE, tapos next class namin is at 10 o'clock, which is yung genetics lab namin. Ano ba to? Brunch? Breakfast? For my breakfast or brunch, I bought cordon bleu with rice. Hi guys, so we're at our genetics class. May pinagawa sa amin. Are you scared?
Sir po yung boses niya. Mabait naman.
Good morning, everyone. So today is January 7. It's already Wednesday. I feel like this week has been so long and so tiring, even though it's only first days of school. Pero feel ko dahil lang yun sa sleep schedule ko kasi I've been sleeping late since hindi pa nakaka-adjust ulit yung katawan ko. For our classes today, we have our organic chemistry laboratory and organic chemistry. Wait, what? I have organic chemistry lecture. Puro science, no? Sana hindi ako ma-train. Kahapon, di na ako nakapag-makeup kasi late ako nagising. So ngayong may time ako, mag-makeup tayo, guys.
Wow, ganda ng hair ko. Pero binan ko lang to, guys. Pero may klase kami ngayon. Foreign language. Wait lang, mag-thumbnail tayo. These are my annotations.
I don't have my mic. I hope you can hear me. There's a lot of trucks passing by, so it's kind of loud. It's already 5:51, and I'm just having my breakfast. My breakfast for today is corned beef with rice. I know this is not healthy, but it's the easiest and fastest meal to cook.
It's PE day, guys.
Yes, it's currently 6:52. Medyo maaga kami, guys. Medyo maaga talaga kami. Parang pumunta kami dito siguro mga 6:30?
6:30, andito na tayo.
6:30. Ayan. Tapos ito yung PE. And then shoes. Hi guys, so kakatapos na ng PE namin. And our next class will start at 10 o'clock, which is genetics. Hindi siya nag-focus. Pero ayun, dito lang kami tumatambay sa ibang classroom. And then we'll head on to the laboratory room. Say hi!
Hi! Hi!
Vlogger ko.
Ha?
Vlogger.
Eme lang.
Vlogger yan, ipalo ko na.
Uy, bibigay ko sa'yo. Sige.
103 subscribers.
May flowers, carnations, tapos may mayana leaf. Ala! Grabe yung flowers nila, kabog na kabog. Hello guys, we're at Espana. I'm with Tisha.
Hi. She needed her life support, y'all.
Guys, I was so stressed earlier. Oh my God. Pero nandito kami sa cafe. Kanina hindi ko panlabas yung yung camera ko kasi nahihiya.
Turn it.